And the World Bank today, for the first time, issued a bond denominated in special drawing rights in China. The debt was issued in China's interbank bond market and marks an additional step in the internationalization of the Chinese currency. The Renminbi is to join the World Bank's SDR basket of currencies in October. Mi Jiayi talked to some analysts to learn more about the bond.
The World Bank has set an indicated yield range for the 3-year bonds at between 0.4 and 0.7% annually. The value of the SDR notes is based on a basket of international currencies: the US dollar, the euro, the British pound, and the Japanese yen. The Chinese RMB will be included from this October and will then help determine the value of the bonds. The bond purchases will be settled in yuan. This is the first SDR bond issued anywhere in 35 years.
The first significance is that now we have an SDR denominated bond that includes RMB. The fact that it's issued anywhere is very important because now RMB, officially if you will help determine the pricing of this bond. Right? That's it. The second significance is that this bond is actually issued within China. So in terms of balancing your fixed income portfolio, right? So within your bond holdings, traditionally, mostly that's going to be RMB. But now you can have a bond that's also denominated in dollar, in pound, and in yen, and also in RMB. So the idea is that by holding this bond, you get more exposure to international currency market, and certainly you can diversify your bond portfolio better in terms of currency risks.
China's central bank has approved the World Bank's issue of a total of 2 billion worth of SDR bonds in China. If the first float goes well, other issues will follow.
What we expect is that such issuance will become more common. So when you look at that event last year, at that moment we say, oh, this is just a beginning. Are there going to be real material changes down the road? Well, these are material changes. Although if you look at this particular piece, it's small, right? But then you put them together, and the fact that there will be more and more such bonds issued, and their importance will grow and will make RMB a true member of the global investing currency, and RMB denominated assets will become a bigger part of global investors.
The bond is named the Mulan bond after the famous Disney character. The World Bank says the RMB will have a 10.92% weighting in the SDR basket, greater than the proportion granted to the British pound or the Japanese yen. Mi Jiayi, ICS4 CCTV, Shanghai.